What of me last year? And we will be one. Call it a partner. We want one back to the
Nigerian government, Buhari, where you know if you give your citizen ordinary 30,000 naira, maybe for the same for the poster. Never our country with this, so you see what we get for inside poster, we go punish on them. And I don't craze Nigerian government ogun go kill on Buhari from president to councillor. Ogun go kill on anything when I gather for in the morning for my life, and I go use in the night, and I go use crime, go sell and throw away in Jesus' name. When I remember Abiola, when I remember Babangida, and I see we know, you see, I see money they give us more than 300,000 Nigerian money. Now they sure give us now. No be our country. Ogun go kill now. You say what come Europe, come deport us. Go if you come, I go there. Maybe we go first kill Nigerian president for Europe. Ogun go kill you. See, more than 300,000 naira. We all see the alert this morning. We no work, we no carry anything. Same we use at the shop because of coronavirus. And I see now money be this. May God punish Nigerian president. We go kill Buhari. We go kill now. We make people come they cry for us. Now money be this. You see we no work, we no do anything. They just put up our account this morning. You see more than 300,000 Nigerian money. Ogun go kill Nigerian president. If you try come Europe, we say we know they come there. Ogun go kill you. Ogbeni, Afakulu. See money. We no work. We no do anything. See and they give us this money.
Our headers for Nigeria. Ogun go kill now for Nigeria.
Ogun go kill now. From Nigerian president to councillor. One they do iki. Anything when I gather, in the morning, and I go use can go sell in the evening. In Jesus' name. When I remember Abiola, when I remember Babangida, I did for wishing, and I saw now go see B at last. In Jesus' name. God go punish you now. You see money? See money? Now money with this. We no work, we no do anything. You give us more than 300,000 naira this morning. Have fun, cool.
It's